Let's talk about luxury. Beyond the cars and mansions, there's a world of rare materials, snake leather. You've seen it on high-end handbags and shoes, each piece with a unique natural pattern. It's a symbol of status, beauty, and craftsmanship, but few know the journey behind it. This isn't your average leather, it's a product of biology, tradition, and modern industry. The story starts with a single egg and ends in the hands of a master artisan. Most people only see the finished product, never the sweat and skill behind it. Demand for these goods drives a global supply chain from specialized farms to luxury boutiques. The process is complex. Breeding, transport, processing, and artistry all play a part. Each snake skin tells a story of transformation from humble beginnings to a coveted accessory. We're pulling back the curtain on this world, meeting the people who make it possible. What does it take to turn a slithering reptile into a luxury item? More than you'd think. It's not just about skinning a snake. It's about preservation, transformation, and art. The journey is dirty, intricate, and fascinating. We'll follow it from egg to finished product. Let's see how raw nature becomes refined luxury. This is the real story behind the shine. From the farm to the factory, every step matters. It's a tale of patience, precision, and passion. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in. The journey begins in a climate-controlled breeding farm, not a factory. Here, every stage of a snake's life is managed with scientific precision. Eggs are collected and incubated under strict conditions to ensure high hatch rates. Workers monitor temperature and humidity constantly. One mistake can ruin a batch. Once hatched, snakes move to enclosures that mimic their natural habitat. Each species has unique needs, from diet to lighting, all controlled by computers. Healthy snakes mean flawless skins, so their care is meticulous. Staff are trained specialists checking for illness or injury daily. Preventing scars or abrasions is crucial. Damaged skin loses value. The snakes are raised for months or years, growing to the perfect size. This isn't a zoo, it's a farm focused on producing premium skins. The controlled environment protects snakes from disease and predators. Every detail is calculated for quality and consistency. The process is methodical, blending biology and agriculture. These farms supply the luxury industry with a steady stream of perfect hides. It's a world few see, but it's where the story of luxury leather truly starts. Once the snakes are ready, the next phase begins. The cleanest part of the job is over. Now it's time for transport. The journey from farm to factory is about to begin. Let's follow the next step. The real work is just getting started. When snakes reach maturity, they're carefully prepped for transport. Specialized crates keep them secure and calm, minimizing stress and risk to their valuable skins. Transporting live reptiles is tightly regulated. Every detail matters. Trucks are climate-controlled, and drivers are trained to handle precious living cargo. Every bump or delay could mean damaged goods. Upon arrival, the transition from farm to factory is seamless but urgent. Workers unload the crates with care, knowing the quality of the final product depends on this step. The factory is a world apart, louder, busier, and built for efficiency. Timing is everything. Delays can ruin the skins. This overlooked stage is a critical link in the supply chain. The snakes have arrived, and the transformation is about to begin. From here, the process gets even more intense. The next step, turning animal into raw material. Let's see how it's done. The real dirty work starts now. At the factory, the first step is a rigorous quality check. Each snake is inspected for imperfections. Every flaw affects the final product. Digital records track each skin through the process. Only the best are chosen for luxury goods. Others become smaller items. Next comes skin extraction, a job requiring skill and precision. Snakes are humanely euthanized, then skinned by hand with sharp knives. The goal, remove the hide in one flawless piece. Any mistake can ruin a valuable skin. The skins are cleaned, flesh and tissue scraped away and washed thoroughly. Protective gear is a must. This is messy, smelly work. Cleanliness is vital. Any residue can ruin the tanning process. Skins are salted or brined to preserve them before tanning. Time is critical. Decay starts fast. The worker's expertise here sets the standard for quality. They turn a living animal into a stable, raw material. The transformation has begun. Next, the science of tanning. Let's see how raw skin becomes luxury leather. Now, the preserved skins head to the tannery. Tanning transforms raw hides into durable, lasting leather. Chrome tanning is common. Skins tumble in drums with tanning salts for hours. This process stabilizes the hide, making it flexible and strong. After tanning, the skins are pale and unfinished. Dyeing comes next. Vivid colors and rich tones are added in another round of drum treatments. Oils are infused to keep the leather soft and supple. Without these steps, the leather would be brittle and unusable. Drying is slow and controlled. Skins are stretched on frames to prevent shrinkage or cracks. Workers monitor moisture levels constantly. Mechanical treatments like staking and tumbling soften and clean the leather further. At this stage, the material finally looks and feels like luxury leather. The hardest work is done, but the transformation isn't complete. Now it's time to bring out the natural beauty of the scales. The next step is all about aesthetics. Let's see how the finishing touches are added. The journey continues. With tanning complete, it's time to enhance the skin's natural beauty. The finishing process starts by shaving the leather to the perfect thickness. Each product, handbag, belt, wallet, requires a different feel. Surface finishing is where the magic happens, especially for cobra and python skins. Workers hand polish the scales, using heat and pressure to create a high-gloss, iridescent finish. This step highlights the unique shimmer that makes snakeskin so desirable. Buffing with microfiber cloths removes residue and boosts shine. Some skins get a protective glaze or lacquer for extra sheen and durability. Every type of skin gets a custom treatment to maximize its beauty. Final inspection under bright lights ensures only the best pieces move forward. Flawed skins are set aside for less visible uses. This painstaking process elevates the material to true luxury status. The skin is now ready for the artisan's hands. The transformation is nearly complete. Let's see how master craftsmen turn this into a finished product. The final stage happens in the artisan's workshop. Here, skilled craftsmen turn flat skins into luxury goods, by hand. Patterns are laid out to showcase the most beautiful parts of the leather. Cutting is precise, every mistake is costly. Artisans consider the direction of the scales, and how each piece will fit together. Years of experience guide every cut and stitch. Edges are thinned for seamless joins, and stitching is often done by hand for strength and beauty. Assembly is slow, meticulous work, sometimes taking days for a single item. Hardware is attached, edges painted, and interiors lined with fine materials. Every detail is finished by hand, ensuring perfection. Artisans are the guardians of quality, the last to touch the product before it reaches the boutique. Their dedication completes the journey from egg to luxury accessory. Even in a modern world, the finest things are still made by hand. The story of snake leather is one of transformation, skill, and artistry. From humble beginnings to a symbol of status, every piece has a story. That's the real meaning of luxury. And now, you know what it takes to create it.